Good morning, everybody. This is my last and final video. I'm not doing any more videos after this. But I just want to explain something about Prophet Abraham. So, the Holy Zatar, the book of Abraham, Zatar, healing and protection. This is Zatar law. This is stuff that I studied at Harvard University. These are things that are brought up. It's not Cabal. Cabal has nothing to do with Zatar law. Zatar law and Cabal have nothing to do with each other. There's nothing to do with it. So my question that I have to start, I would appreciate an answer. In regards to, me doing a version of praying to begin with, lighting candles, putting it in a bowl. I'd like to know why some of my ex-girlfriends or some of my, I don't even consider them ex-girlfriends. I consider them still friends, even though that they like to ruin my existence. I want to know why you have these books. Why did you go into my parents' house and steal my stuff? You have stamps. Who steals stamps? When I was upstate in Roxbury, I had books. I had books like this and books like this. So I'd like to know why you like stealing things like that are collector items. Why do you like stealing things that do not belong to you? And in regards to that matter, why do you have things that belong to why does Homeland Security, which is very concerning to me, why does Homeland Security and the FBI why do you have those bond licenses that belong to the Gita and Gardner family in your offices? Why do you have a group health insurance plan in your federal and state governments? I would just like to know that, because Thomas Schmitt would like to know that as well. I find it very disturbing. I find it very, 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 very disturbing that you can't do a simple thing, because under these rules right here, under Zatar law, under these, when you get caught stealing, Yahweh and those people punish you. They punish you. And you know what I say to you? A lot of you people, it's completely unacceptable. It's unacceptable behavior and will not be tolerated. I feel like I have to be a dad. I'm 40 years old, and I know better than most of your 50, 60, or 70-year-old people that work in New York State or California. You've committed sins. Today is Monday. Do you think Yahweh or Elohim is going to play games? Now you're going to start having problems. And I'm not being held responsible. I'm just telling you this. This is my last video. I ain't doing any more videos. But you don't take things that do not belong to you. So another thing I'm going to also say in this video as well to your relatives, Kim, is why do you have other people's business licenses? Why do you have business accounts that don't belong to you? The Rothschild family does not own any of those licenses. They don't. They were found guilty in court. You were found criminally insane in court. I had to appear in a Zoom link. I had to appear in person. I had to testify in religious courts as well. So I would like an explanation. And Thomas Schmitt would like an explanation on many things as well. Because I find this very, very disturbing. And you're just not... When you have reality hit you, because a long time ago, somebody, one of your relatives in the past, tried to mess with Moses. you try to mess with Prophet Moses and play stupid games like these forbidden games, you got big problems to begin with. And these systems, like this TV system, it's not going to work when you play with God. When you mock God, he punishes you.